Welcome to our channel. Today we how to connect Adobe Sign to get faster approvals for claim documents. Easy tutorial step by step clearly. To begin, open your web browser and navigate to the Adobe Sign website. Log in using your Adobe ID and password. Once logged in, locate the dashboard. On the dashboard, find the account menu at the top right corner. Click on Account and select Settings from the drop-down. In the Settings menu, click on Integrations located on the left side. Look for the section labeled Connections. Here, you will see options to connect various applications. Select the application you want to integrate with Adobe Sign. Click the Connect button next to the respective application. You may be prompted to authorize Adobe Sign to access your application. Follow the on-screen instructions to complete the authorization process. Once connected, return to the dashboard. Now, navigate to Create Agreement to start a new document. Upload your claim document that requires approval. Fill in the necessary details, such as email addresses of approvers. Set the order of signatures if multiple approvers are involved. Customize any message you would like to send with the document. Review all the details before sending out the document. Click Send to initiate the approval process. Your claim document is now connected to Adobe Sign for faster approvals. You will receive email notifications as approvers review and sign the document. Monitor the status of the approval directly from your Adobe Sign dashboard. Congratulations, you have successfully connected Adobe Sign to streamline your document approvals. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.